I have someone named Danita Larry. I have no idea who that is. I guess we'll, does that name show up anywhere on anybody? Maybe on just somebody else's. This says Danita Larry. Is that who's on here? And do you have your camera you can put on maybe?
I'm sorry. Trying to look for the camera now.
What's your name? Are you?
Now I'm using my auntie's computer. I'm sorry about that.
I wondered. So I'm sorry. What's your name?
Orion Jackson.
Got it. All right, Mr. Jackson. In the screen there, you'll see that someone from the state's attorney's office. He's going to make you an offer to see whether or not you want to resolve the seatbelt ticket.
Okay.
State's offer today is $255 in court supervision.
No, sir. Because this ticket that I got is like identity fraud.
Hang on, sir. So basically, if you want to plead not guilty, we can't do that over Zoom. Zoom is pretty much for folks who want to plead guilty or accept the state's offer. You can plead not guilty, but we're going to have to set you for another court date, and you'll have to come in for that.
In person in Springfield?
Correct.
That's the thing, ma'am. This is an identity theft thing. I've never been in Springfield since I probably was 12 years old. So whoever got this ticket from me, I don't know. I don't know anybody in Springfield or anything like that. So that's why I'm like, it would be completely like waste of my time to like, not waste of my time, but it would be unreasonable for me to go out there and it's like, for what reason? Because somebody down there that I don't know use my identity.
Well, you could always hire a defense attorney that's local in the area, and they can come on your stead if you don't want to drive down to Springfield.
We just don't have a way to resolve this over Zoom. You can, can he call the state's attorney's office and talk to somebody?
Sure. We can look into it and see if there's camera and officer testimony and, see what kind of evidence we have. That's pretty much the most we can do. But prior to, these kinds of things, these identity things, unless we have Brady exculpatory evidence to just dismiss them, which I don't have anything but a yellow file in front of me.
Okay. Yeah, I just really found out about all this like a couple of weeks ago. So it's like,
okay.
This is new to me.
I got you. So again, all I can do is set you for a new court date. You can, in the meantime, you could try and reach out to the state's attorney's office, ask to speak to an attorney in the traffic division, see what you can resolve between now and then. But I just can't do anything today over Zoom other than make you that offer, and I understand you don't want to accept that, but all I can do then is set it over for a new court date.
Okay, that's fine.
All right. What date do you want?
This looks like it's probably heading down the pretrial road, so we would set this for probably November 8th. That gives them time to reach out to the state's attorney and possibly hire a defense attorney.
So you want it as a pretrial then?
Yeah, I would, Your Honor. 9 a.m. 5C at that's November 8th.
November 8th at 9 o'clock in 5C?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so the next court date will be November 8th at 9 o'clock in courtroom 5C.
Okay.
Okay?
All right, no problem.
All right. All right. Thank you, sir.
All right, thank you.
I'll let you can go ahead and disconnect or leave the meeting then.
Okay.
Thank you.
All right.
The only other one I have is iPad. Let's see what that is.
I imagine it's George Gonzalez or Kevin. It's the insurance. Who sent that in? Oh, for George Gonzalez.
Can you hear me?
Yes, I can hear you now.
Okay. May I ask your name?
My name is Maria.
Okay.
What's your last name?
Lopez. George Gonzalez is right next to me.
Oh, okay. Okay. Hence my confusion.
I'm
There we
sorry.
go. All right. So George Gonzalez Casas?
Yes.
All right.
So I appreciate the fact that you sent in insurance information, but the ticket is for violating a license class, first and second division. So I looked at the statute, and there's certain license classes you have to drive. You have to drive certain vehicles.
Okay.
So 21 UR registration is valid. So does he have a special license?
He does not.
Did he send this in?
You mean-
You
You mean a CL?
Yeah.
He doesn't have a CDL.
Okay. What kind of car was he driving when he was pulled over?
He was driving a Ram 3500 with a 30-foot flatbed attached to it.
Okay. So state's offer is $255 in court supervision.
$255?
Yep, in court supervision.
Okay. I'm sorry. What does the court supervision mean?
What that means is if that fine gets paid off, this ticket will not show up on his driving record as a conviction.
Okay.
The Secretary of State will not see that as a conviction on his driving record.
Okay. All right. We will do that. Is there anything else that we need to do?
How long do you need to get that paid?
We can pay it off by Friday, if that's okay.
Okay. I want to make sure that he understands everything because it's actually his ticket. Does he understand everything that's going on?
Yes.
Do you understand,
He
sir?
does.
Yeah.
Okay. All right. So I'm just going to put on there to pay it within 30 days.
Okay.
And if you see at the bottom of my screen, it'll say you can pay your fine online, and it's paytrafficfine.org. So you can pay that online if you want.
Okay.
Will that work?
That works just fine.
Okay. All right. Any questions about anything?
No, ma'am. Would he be okay driving now? I mean, they said he was okay driving, but is he okay? I mean, I understand there's certain vehicles he cannot drive.
Correct. As long as he can still drive as long as he's in compliance with whatever criteria, whatever classifications on his license. Yes.
So as far as his actual license status on the Secretary of State abstract that was ran as of yesterday, it shows he has a valid license. He has a valid license.
Okay. All right. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
All right. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. You can go ahead and, if you find leave meeting. Nobody else is on there, so no Kevin Manning.
All right.
All righty.
Cool.